Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on comparing areas. Comparing areas can be very useful in real life. This may help us to determine the size of our new kitchen, swimming pool or tennis court. When framing photographs, comparing photo frames is essential. The size of the frame may depend on the size of the original photo, the amount of enlargement required, the size of the wall, the cost, etc. An Olympic-sized swimming pool is not practical in a small backyard, for obvious reasons. So if we compare the size of this Olympic swimming pool to the size of a normal smaller pool that fits in the backyard, we can see straight away that this swimming pool is just not practical, unless we've got many acres or a large area, maybe a farm or something like that. But for a normal backyard, we need a much smaller pool. The area of the master bedroom in a house is usually much larger than the small study area. Hence, it is much more expensive to decorate the walls, floors and ceilings. So the walls, the floors and the ceiling of a master bedroom are much larger than those of the small study, so it's much more expensive to decorate. How we can compare areas. Year 1 students can use a variety of different materials to compare two or more areas. Consider the school desk to the left. There's the school desk and the teacher's desk above. The two areas can be compared by using, for example, an envelope. In other words, if you take this envelope and you say, for example, place it over the desk like that, say that's one envelope, and then you place the envelope again like that, two envelopes, and you just keep placing the envelopes around, and you can tell how many envelopes it takes to cover the desk. And you can do the same with the teacher's desk, and that way you can work out which one is the larger. You can do exactly the same by covering the desks with books or by covering them with A4 paper. So that's how we can compare two or more areas at the Year 1 level, just by using shapes like that. Students can compare the size of carpet tiles by using playing cards. Now I don't mean the whole floor here. For example, if you take that carpet there, so that boundary there, along here, see that? And along there, right? So that tile there, if you take some playing cards and you place them all along that tile, you can work out how many playing cards you need to cover that tile. Then you can come and do the same here, for example, to that tile there, and you can compare the two areas. The size of the student diary can be compared to the teacher's diary by using base 10 blocks. So these base 10 blocks here can be placed all along here. Okay, one at a time. You might have 7, 8, 10, 20 of them. It doesn't matter. You have a large number of these and you place them all over. Then count how many. Now, if there's a small area left, you just place these little ones. So, for example, the student's diary might take 20 of these and 4 of those. Then you do the same with this one, and you can work out, we know that that one's larger, but by how much? Like, is it twice as large? Is it less than twice as large or more than twice as large? So when you use these measuring things here, that enables you to work out how much larger it is. So that video has been a very interesting one. Of course, it's allowed you to look at how we compare different areas and some of the things we can use for doing that.